30 seconds. Ten seconds from undocking.
Houston in station, physical separation.
Houston copies.
Undocking confirmed at 3:53 a.m. Central Time. The crew of Atlantis now departing the International Space Station after almost a week. And Nicole Stott now beginning her journey home after 87 days of living aboard the complex. Once again, undocking confirmed at 3:53 a.m. Central Time. Atlantis and the International Space Station passing 216 miles above the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, just to the northeast of New Guinea.
United States Space Shuttle Atlantis and International Space Station crew member Nicole Stott departing. See you on the ground, Jeff. You bet. Bon voyage.
The crew on board the International Space Station ringing the traditional bells as an expedition crew member departs. Atlantis' jets have been re-enabled at this point in time. The shuttle is about 15 feet away from the station. The Expedition 21 crew saying their final farewells to Nicole Stott, who is now a member of STS-129 on board the shuttle on her way home. Once again, she is the final expedition crew member who will come home aboard a shuttle.
Orbiter and ISS, this is Houston. We see the station in attitude control. Station copies. Thanks, Drew. Can you give me their current attitude? Squad ships 123, pitch negative 5.5, and roll of 1.
Space Shuttle Atlantis, now under the control of STS-129 pilot Barry Wilmore, continuing to back away from pressurized mating adapter number 2. And the Harmony node on the International Space Station, once again undocking confirmed at 3:53 a.m. Central Time. The two spacecraft were 216 miles above the Pacific Ocean, just to the northeast of New Guinea. They spent 6 days, 17 hours, and 2 minutes docked with one another. Atlantis delivering 2 gigantic express logistics carriers with tons of spare parts for the station.
Atlantis, Houston, big loop with the station attitude coordinates for our POP.
3 spacewalks conducted by Mike Foreman, Bobby Satcher, and Randy Bresnik.
5.5, yaw 1.3, roll 1.1.
Thank you.
And And Nicole Stott on board Atlantis now on her way home after 87 days aboard the International Space Station. Once again, she is the final expedition crew member to come home aboard a shuttle. From this point on, the rotations of the expedition crew members will all be done on Russian Soyuz vehicles.